A few days ago, one of my clients called me from her car. She was crying because at 34, she had just quit her job. Her savings were almost gone, and she was trying to learn digital marketing from YouTube, but has continually failed. So she was beginning to feel like everyone online was 22 and younger, and that it was too late for her to learn something. She hated her job, so she took the plunge and quit her job. But she called me and she was like, Toby, I feel like I cannot learn. I feel like everyone online on social media, on YouTube now, they're younger than me and they can learn, and I feel like I'm about to give up. And after she went through my mentorship and coaching, 6 months down the line, she was far from where she was coming from. She already had clients. She was literally on her way to making 5 figures. Her secret was not hustle. Her secret was not luck, right? It was the very moment she stopped believing the lie that she was too old to learn fast. She was too old to learn something new, or she was too old to start using her brain. And then she started to do what her brain could do better than any 20-year-old on this planet. And today, that's what I'm going to be sharing with you. Hi, welcome to this channel. I'm so glad the algorithm has brought you over here. I made this channel for women who are done shrinking and are ready to build something real. And today we're going into something that I'm genuinely passionate about. Why your brain right now at this age is one of the most powerful learning machines that exist. So I need you to stay with me, because what I'm about to share with you is something that will completely change your life. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever, even for a second, thought that maybe I'm too old for this thing I'm trying to do? Or maybe I'm too old for this class I'm trying to take? Or maybe you're watching a 24-year-old on Instagram taking their things seriously, dancing and doing all of that, and you're like, you know what, maybe I'm too old for this. I know that voice, and a lot of women in my community know that voice. But here's what I'm going to tell you today. That ship sails today, and that voice is lying. The voice that is talking to you was planted in your mind by the culture that worships youth. It misunderstands how human intelligence works. And very recently, I've been studying neuroscience and psychology, and I've seen how powerful the mind of a 30-year-old can be. Because the neuroscience tells a completely different story. All right? Now, here's the truth. A 20-year-old's brain is literally still under construction. It's not fully built yet. The prefrontal cortex that controls decision making, focus, creativity, the ability to connect complex ideas, that part is not fully developed until 25. And for some people, sometimes even 30. So while that young woman is learning everything by trial, by error, by chaos, you already have the hardware to start building. Now, I want to tell you about this woman named Denise. She joined my community at 41, and she had spent 15 years in corporate HR. The truth is, she was already tired of what she was doing. She felt completely obsolete, especially when the company started talking about AI tools and automation and all of that. And she told me, she was like, Toby, you know what? I feel like I blinked and the whole world moved on, especially now in the age of AI and all of that. And so she joined the community and she started learning just one skill using the method I'm going to share with you in a moment. And within 90 days, Denise, she was not just using AI tools, she was training her entire department on it. And a manager actually called it remarkable. She sent me the message the manager sent to her. She was like, this is remarkable. And so it changed everything for Denise. She told me later, I didn't learn faster despite being 41. She said, I learned fast because I was 41. I had a context that nobody else did. And this literally blew me away. And this is the part nobody talks about. At that age, especially when you're over 30, your brain is fully developed and ready to take in whatever it is you're learning. There are 3 scientifically backed superpowers that come with your age. Number 1, crystallized intelligence. This is your accumulated knowledge, experience, your years of experience, pattern recognition, emotional wisdom, all of these things put together. It peaks in your 30s and 40s, and it keeps growing. So when you learn something new, you're not literally starting from zero. You're not starting from 100 level. You're building on a foundation that a 20-year-old does not have yet. And this is the cheat code that most people don't know. Superpower number 2, emotional regulation. You've been through hard things. You failed at things. You know how to sit in discomfort. You know how to push through your frustrations. You know how to keep going when things are not fun. And those 3 things, I'm telling you, are exact qualities that separate people who master skills from people who quit on day 12. Superpower 3, purpose-driven motivation. Now, young learners study for grades, for clout, for social media, for their parents, but you're learning because it means something. Research shows that purpose-driven learning is retained up to 40% longer. So the reason you're about to start learning is your fuel, okay? And this is exactly why I built my community, the Aligned Women Academy. It's a $10 a month space, and it's designed specifically for you. Like for women like Denise, who are over 30 and are done waiting and ready to learn real skills, build real businesses, and do it surrounded by like-minded women who actually get it. Inside, you will get direct mentoring from me. You will get skill building resources. You will get monthly live sessions, and you will get a community that shows up for one another every single day. So I encourage you for $10 a month. That's less than a movie ticket. That's less than your coffee every month. It's going to be the best investment you've ever made for yourself this year. The link will be in the description. I encourage you to come see what we're building together, and let's do it together. Now, how do you activate all of these things to your own advantage? How do you actually turn science into results? Now, 3 things you're going to do starting today. Number 1, anchor new learning to your experience. And I'm going to explain. Don't just learn in a vacuum. Every time you study something new, ask yourself, where have I seen this before? How does this connect to what I already know? That's you building on the foundation, and your brain will grab onto it and hold onto it tight. What does this mean to you? Number 2, teach it within 24 hours. I know this sounds a little crazy, but tell someone what you learned. Post about it. Voice note it. Tell your spouse, your friends, anyone about what you're currently learning and what you learn. Because the act of teaching locks it into your long-term memory. That's it. Faster than any flashcard system or anything at all that has ever been invented. Once you teach it, the more you teach it, the more you hold onto it in your mind. Number 3, stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10. And this is where a lot of people make the mistake. That 22-year-old you're comparing yourself to, she's comparing herself to someone else too. That 50-year-old person you're comparing yourself to, they're comparing themselves to someone else too. So your only measuring stick is the woman you were 6 months ago. Who are you 6 months ago, and who are you becoming? That is the only person you're allowed to compare yourself with. So let's go back to my client that was crying in the parking lot. That was a real story, like I told you. And women like her are sitting inside my school community right now, building, growing, providing, and proving that the best chapter of their life is the one they are currently writing right now. The truth is this: you're not behind. You're not too late. You're quite literally in your prime. This is the best time of your life. So go ahead. I want you to comment below and tell me, what is one thing you want to learn or build this year? I read every single comment and I respond to it. So I want you to let me know, what is that one thing you really want to learn? What is that thing you think will give you a boost? Now I want you to go ahead and hit the like if this video gave you something real. Go ahead and subscribe so you do not miss what's next. And I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing day. My name is Still Rich. Ciao.